Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of messages not showing on Bumble app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of messages not showing on Bumble app, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can search about Bumble on this app, on this page of apps. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.